Exercise 9. Ready. Start. Mr. Chairman, sir, I deem it a privilege to speak on this motion of thanks moved by my friend. It is but natural that the President should have dealt at length on the very hopeful economic situation and the economic scene that is there in our country. India is certainly, as the President has put it, emerging from the worst period of economic crisis and is on the road to economic recovery. He has also given in his address the milestones that this country has crossed in the field of agriculture, in the field of industry, and in the field of imports as well as exports. The country is today exporting more and more and is importing less and less. This is the salient feature of the whole economy of our country. A basic question arises: how far this country is going to get the advantage which this economic recovery has given to us? It is necessary that we should apply ourselves to the basic policies in the field of economic recovery and agricultural development. Unless we try to devote our attention to implement the land reform laws in agriculture, I do not think we shall be able to get the gains that this economic situation has given. In the field of food problem, also a stage has come when it is desirable for this country to adopt a national food budget. For industrial development, it is desirable that we should lay more and more emphasis on public sector development rather than on the private sector. These questions, I feel, are to be solved by our government, and that is what the President expects in his address too. More than all this, what I consider as a very welcome feature of the presidential address is the announcement about the beginning of the fourth plan as such. Up till now, we have been having plans, and there was a feeling in this country that we may not have any plan at all, that there may be a total holiday as such. This feeling that there will be a planned holiday has been removed by the very statement of the Honorable President. I am not having much time, otherwise I would quote certain figures which I have with me with regard to students' demonstrations. There have been 75 disturbances within 2 months, and these disturbances are still there. As a result of these disturbances, the whole peaceful life of the people is disturbed. Then, I have got figures which will show how much loss we have been put to as a result of these agitations and strikes by government servants, workers, and other people. During the last year, 69 lakh man-days were lost. This year, more than 3 crore man-days were lost, and out of these at least 2 crore man-days were lost in West Bengal. So, it is not merely a trend, but it is a danger to our democratic way of life. There might be other reasons, but there are certain parties which would like to take advantage of that. What is the total effect of all these on our social life? Today, what do we find as a result of these agitations and disturbances? A feeling of doubt is growing among the people as to whether there is rule of law in this country or not. When the man in the street sees so much damage of property, when he sees so many man-days lost, when the middle-class man sees that the whole life as also the administration is paralyzed, what is the effect on him? Will he have any faith left in the peaceful way of life? This is the result of these disturbing factors, and they are no more trends only. That is my point. These agitations are no more trends, as has been described by the President in his address. They have become evils and threaten very much our peaceful way of life. So you must take note of them. Then, there is another evil looming large and threatening the very secular and national life of our country, and that is the evil of casteism. If I can give you a few figures, during the past 3 years, there were as many as 200 riots in the country.